In this quick video, I want to show the map features for mobile apps. And in this context, we are comparing the map feature for a CES conference versus this map, which is built by InMapz. And this map here was built for the SID Display Week conference in Los Angeles this past year. And so when you look at this, the first thing that's different, of course, is the CES show app. That map is more 3D-ish, and whereas this map is slightly 3D. I call it 2D and a half. So that's the first thing that's different. We could make it 3D if user prefer 3Ds. In most cases, for trade show, 2D is fine. So that's one difference. The second difference, I'm going to zoom in here, is that you will see that the map for CES label everything by booth number, right? So when you look at the booth number, you have to go and look somewhere else maybe to find out, okay, where is the Walmart booth, right? And then you have to get a number, and then you use that number to search. In this case here, this map shows booth by name as opposed by number. So it makes it a little bit easier to read. You can see here's E-Ink, here's 3M, and so on, right? So labeling the booth by name is a little bit easier. Second one, the third feature is that you can see also there are logos here on certain booths. This enables sponsorship opportunity. So, for example, TDK can pay a little bit extra to be shown their logo on their booth. And for exhibitors who prefer not to, then their booth are labeled with generic text. So, this gives sponsor exhibitors more opportunity to highlight their booth, right? And then for show organizer, another way to monetize the map, right? Now, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So obviously, here's the registration area, and then out here we also place kiosks where attendees can search for a booth location, and then on these digital kiosks there are wayfinding map that give direction how to get to a specific booth, right? And we can also see there are multiple levels here. All right. So let's search for a booth. So let's say we want to find where BOE is. All right, so this makes it easier. You can just type in the exhibitor name as opposed to trying to type in their booth number, which usually you don't know where their booth number is. So you type in the exhibitor's name, and then you can go to their profile page, right? And then you can say, well, give me direction to where their booth is. Direction to here. And then you type in where you're standing from, and let's say I'm standing at the 3M booth. Okay, and say I'm standing at 3M booth, so just give me direction how to get from the 3M booth to the BOE booth. In this case, they're actually right next to each other, right? We can do something a little more complicated. Maybe we want the directions from the BOE booth to center stage. So let's try that. I'm just going to type in center stage, and here's center stage. Well, locate where it is, and then I can say, well, give me direction to center stage, and I am standing at the BOE booth. So here, give me the routing direction from BOE, walk all the way through center stage, right? So I think that's really the main difference between, to summarize, these are the differences. The booths are labeled by exhibitor's name. The exhibitor's logo can be customized, and this way gives organizer opportunity to sell more sponsorship revenues. And then the directions are searchable by exhibitor's name as opposed to their booth number, which is more intuitive. And then directly from the exhibitor profile page, information page, you can connect it to the map, right? So those are the key differences. Please let me know if you have a question. My name is HD Bo. Thank you very much.